Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Chapter 10, measurement of weight. So here we will see 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, 10.4. That first is 10.1. MCQ. That first answer is A, second answer is B. And then second question, find the sum. Find the sum. So that first part is 72 kg plus 82 kg is equal to, that will be 2 2 4 8 7 15 kg, that is 15 kg. Second part is that third part, second part done by yourself, 75 kg plus 28 kg plus 256 kg by the addition of that thing. A 6 8 14 14 5 19, carry 1 5 1 6, 7 8 7 15, carry 1, carry, that is 1 2 1 3, that is kg. And then fifth part 225 gram plus 500 gram plus 210 gram is equal to, G means gram. Add 5 plus 0 plus 0, that is 5, 1 0 2 3, and then 2 4 5 7 8 9, 935 gram. Sixth part also you can do. Third question, find the difference between, difference means subtraction, that is first part. So that 92 minus 78 is equal to, it means first of all you will write the greater number. So that 12 less 8 4, 8 less 7 1, that is kg. And then third part 506 minus 350, that 6 less 0 6, 10 less 5 5, then 4 less 3 1, that is kg. And then fifth part, yes, fifth part 900 gram minus 260 gram is equal to, that will be 0 less 0 0, and then 10 less 6 4, and then that is 8, 8 less 2 6, 640 gram. And then sixth part done by yourself. Then 10.2, fill in the blanks, so that will be, first fill will be 7 and 550, second 3 and 255, that is, here will be write third in 12 2 5 0, here will be write 18 3 6 8. And then second question, how many gram make, 3 kg is equal to, that is 3 into 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, so that is 3000 gram, that is second part 4 kg is equal to, that is 4 into 1000 gram is equal to 4000 gram. And then third part that is 6 kg is equal to 6 into 1000 gram is equal to 6000 gram. Third question is convert into gram. Same question is that one also. First part 2 kg is equal to 2 into 1000 gram is equal to 2000 gram. That other two part, second, third part, you will do fourth part. 5 kg 280 gram. 280 gram. So that 5 into 1000 plus 280 gram. So that 5000 plus 280 gram. That will be 5280 gram. And then sixth part, fifth part done by yourself. 18 kg 95 gram. So that 18 into 1000 plus 95 gram. So that 18,000 plus 95 gram. So that will be 18095 gram. Sixth part, that is seventh part. Sorry, eighth part. Other part you can do 9 kg 99 gram. So 9 into 1000 plus 99 gram. So that 9000 plus 99 gram. That will be 9099 gram. And ninth part you can do. And then exercise 10.3. 10.3 is add. First part kg gram, that is 4 kg 330 gram, 5 kg 40 gram, then plus 0779. And then third part kg gram, so that 3 and 2, this is a 360 and then 568, 8 12 5 3 8 1 9 3 2 5. And then fifth part, other part you will do gram. 43 plus 24 and then 500 and 390 and then add 0 549 538 and then 347 426. And then question next, second question, that is second question is that Rahim bought 8 kg 250 gram mangoes, 2 kg 50 gram apple, 1 kg 200 gram grapes from a fruit seller. How much fruit did he buy that? So that kg and gram. Kg and gram, we will write that 8 kg 250 gram and then 2 kg 500 gram and then 1 kg 200 gram. So addition of that 0 5 9 8 to 10 1 11 kg 950 gram. That is third question. the weight of 3 boys, this and this. We find the total weight. So that will be kg and gram. So first boy weight is 45 kg 500 gram. 500 gram. Second boy weight is 48 kg and then 00 gram. Third boy weight is 38 kg and 200 gram. So 0 0 7 by addition. 8 is 16, 5 21, 4 for 8 to 10, 3 13. 131 kg 700 gram. And then 10.4 subtraction. That question number 1, first part. That kg gram. That kg is 8, gram is 250, and then kg is 3, 156, and then subtraction. 10 less 6, 4, 14 less 5, 9, 1 less 1, 0, 8 less 3, 5. And then third part that kg gram. So that 19 minus 14 and then 500 to 80. 500 to 80. 0 less 0 0, 10 less 8 2, 4 less 2 2, 9 less 4 5, and then 1 less 1 0, no need to write the 0. And then fifth part that kg and gram, that is 21 18 is kg, 550 and 380 in gram. So that 0 less 0, 15 less 8 7, 4 less 3 1, 11 less 8 3. That is second question. Second question is that on Eid Rahman bought 10 kg 250 gram of sweet. He distributed 8 kg 350 gram sweet among his friend. How much sweet was left with them? So that will be kg and then gram. She bought 10 kg 250 gram and then 8 kg 350 gram. Then subtract 0, 5 plus 5 0, and then 12 less 3 9, and then 9 less 8 1 kg 900 gram sweets is left. And then third question is that a tin of vegetable oil 15 kg 800 gram in weight. If empty tin weight is this one, find the weight of oil. So that's simple, kg and gram. The total weight is 15 kg 800 gram and then tin weight is 1 kg 350 gram. So that weight of that will be minus 0, 10 less 5 5, then 7 less 3 4, and then 5 less 1 4, 14 kg 450 gram. That okay.